Hello guys, today I received this portable electric vehicle charger. It charges up to 40 amperes. So let's unbox it. Let's see what comes inside. Inside the box, we're going to be included a carrying bag for the portable electric vehicle charger. You will also be included a user's manual so that way you can download the app and understand better your charger. You also get included this plug that goes from the charger plug to a NEMA 1450 plug so that way your charger can charge up to 40 amperes. You will also be included this bracket so you can manage your cable. And finally, you will be included your charger, this plug right here. It is 25 feet. The connection type is going to be a J1772, so this is going to make it compatible with most electric vehicle chargers sold in the US. If you have a Tesla, you can definitely use this, but you have to buy a separate adapter so that way you can plug it right here and then plug this whole piece to your Tesla. You will also get this bracket in case you want to install this portable charger into the wall. Finally, this is our electric vehicle charger. The top part, it's going to have this piece of aluminum, and the bottom, it's going to have this plastic part. It's also going to include an LCD, which is going to show important information such as current charge and also temperature. To start charging your electric vehicle charger, all you need to do is simply connecting this plug onto the charger like this. So it's connected, and now we need to connect this to our 1450 NEMA connector. Now, before we start charging our Tesla, remember that this plug is a J1772, so we need a J1772 to Tesla adapter. All we're simply doing is inserting this all the way in, making sure that this snaps right there, and opening our Tesla port, inserting it, and if you can tell right here, this is already charging our vehicle. Because this is a 40 amp electrical vehicle charger, it's going to charge our vehicle very, very fast. It's only going to take a couple hours to get a full charge. Once you're done charging, all you simply need to do is unplug this, and you can store this on the back of your Tesla in case you need to charge this elsewhere. I hope that the information about this electric vehicle portable charger was helpful. I definitely want to thank you for watching, and see you on the next video.